Hey again everyone, welcome back. Gonna have one very quick look at AMP, and this will more than likely be the only video I make for about a month. I'm a fan of AMP, I'm a fan of ACH. Which one has the better opportunity to see some excessive gains? That's not for me to say. What I can say is that AMP is moving into the realms of offering tremendous value. Now, I don't know if this is just a token that's been forgotten about. I think the next we'll realistically hear about it will be when Amazon or an alike, I don't know, is there an alike to Amazon? But yeah, I just think that this thing's going to be adopted at some point, and the next we're going to know about it is it's gone off to the moon, and 12 cents will be 100% left in the dust. So where we are at the moment, we're just over 4 cents. We look like we're heading back towards the 786, and if we lose support there, essentially if we do not make a move within this this rectangular zone, this pink zone, we're going to fall back to no man's land. Support zones become quite big drops from here once we're outside of this and below this this box. So could this thing fall another 50% before adoption and it makes its move? It could quite possibly. So beyond the rectangle zone of support that I've got in there, I'm also going to add quite a thick line here that will kind of be, yeah, if we fall below, where are we? There. If we fall below 2-1, this thing's chalked, and it would be a really sad day to see that. However, in the long term, I am really bullish for AMP. It's been very quiet, and considering what they are capable of, it's similar to ACH. However, I will say that AMP probably has, they're probably further along the journey of adoption than ACH. And yeah, I'm I'm really surprised that we're sitting where we are. So if we move to the daily on AMP, you can see that we have just spent the last 3 days moving off of this support zone that we have. We put a low in on the 27th of October, and we've just spent near enough a week in the same channel. So what to look for next on AMP would be a move from 4 to 5 cents, and then we may see some continuation from there. Realistically, we're not seeing the volume coming in that this token really needs to get it off the ground. And although it's sitting at 4 cents, its market cap currently is about 1.8 billion, there or thereabouts. Let me just have a quick check at that. 1.7.5. So it's, you know, it's already got quite a sizable cap on it. Can it 5x? With ease, with ease. Yeah, can it get back up to all-time highs? Not a problem at the 12 cent mark. Can it go far higher? Yes, it probably can and probably will. This is a challenger. This is a sleeping giant. ACH, AMP, Cardano, they're sleeping giants, and I expect to see some really good things probably from the summer, late spring, early summer onwards in 2022 and onwards. So people may look back at this video in a year's time or even 6 months time and be like, wow, yeah, why didn't I get in there? However, me personally, I'm not getting in here either, because I do expect us to fall into this zone. If we never do, then all good and well for AMP, but personally, I'm just going to take it to the hourly. It's not doing much other than making lower highs, and I think that we're going into this zone. I think we may see circa 3.5 cents before we rock it out of here. And if we go back some historic support, where are we? Yeah, I think 359. I truly believe that we're going to come a little lower, and I'm going to make that a thin line just so I don't get them blurred. I made that one red. So I think that 356 even. I think 356 is the lowest we will go before seeing a protection bounce, and that may be the last that we see coming down into this zone. Yeah, I'm bullish on AMP long term. It does worry me that the market cap is as high as it is. However, if we look at tokens such as Ethereum and similar, they've just gone on leaps and bounds. If you compare Cardano to Ethereum, I think the future will show the long-standing projects, and I do think that AMP Flexa is one of them. So yeah, like I say, looking back on 4 cents, I think that this is going to be a day that people will remember in history, that something like this could have been purchased at this price. However, I am going to say I think it does go a little lower. If it falls below the rectangle triangle, I'll probably remortgage my house to purchase in. But for now, this is one to watch. But I'm super bullish for the future. And alright, please do remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.